working on the 1989 Chevrolet S10, and today I put on summer wheels. I gave them a graphite color. Thought about, buying hubcaps or something, but painting the rims turns out really well. Hoping to repaint it this summer. But as you've probably seen in the video before this, I was working on the final stages of the tune-up, and I'm happy to report that that turned out extremely good. The truck is performing very well. Now I finally got the performance I was trying to achieve all this time. Really accelerates good, no more dead spots, and no doubt we'll be getting better fuel mileage. So that's it with John Rudy at Rudy Racing.